Welcome to this edition of Nature News, where we highlight seasonal occurrences to help direct your natural discoveries. This week, we are peeking into the mysterious world of mushrooms. Throughout history, and even to this day, many people consider mushrooms to be mysterious and ominous. Often, they appear out of nowhere overnight and are the source of mind-altering chemicals and poisons. With names like toadstool, deathcap, and destroying angel, it is easy to see why such views came about. While some mushrooms are in fact highly toxic and potentially deadly, they consist of only about 1 to 2% of all mushroom species we have discovered, so perhaps not as scary as we are led to believe. As far as hallucinogenic mushrooms go, there are over 100 species worldwide with known mind-altering effects, and interestingly enough, humans have been using them for quite some time. Aztecs, Mayans, and other peoples of Mesoamerica used hallucinogenic mushrooms in ceremonies and rituals. Today, mushroom foraging is growing in popularity, and many places have local mushroom clubs that hold annual forays to survey mushroom diversity and teach others about the species growing in their area. Remember, never attempt to forage for mushrooms without the help of an expert. While only a small percent are considered deadly, many others will make you terribly sick. Besides human use, mushrooms and other type of fungi play an important role in our ecosystem. They help digest, decompose, and recycle nutrients back into the soil. These types of mushrooms are called saprophytic, meaning they obtain nourishment from dead organic matter. They do so by releasing enzymes that decompose the organic material, in turn helping to replace all the nutrients once gathered by the living organism back into the soil, ready to be used once again by other living organisms. Other types of fungi are called mycorrhizal, myco referring to mushrooms, and rhizal meaning roots. These fungi live within the surface soil, intertwined and connected to tree and plant roots. The relationship between mycorrhizal fungi and the plants they are associated with is considered to be mutualistic, meaning both species benefit. Plants such as trees make their own food through photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create simple sugars. Fungi, however, are not plants and lack chlorophyll needed to perform photosynthesis. The mushrooms can retrieve nitrogen and phosphorus from the soil, which trees cannot. So the two species exchange what the other needs. Sugars from photosynthesis go to the fungi, and nitrogen and phosphorus go to the tree. Both species benefit from the relationship. This is but a sneak peek into the mysterious world of mushrooms. As we discover and learn more about them, it becomes more apparent that fungi are not something to be feared, but instead something to be appreciated, for without them, many species in our entire ecosystems would not be able to function properly. Remember, every time you step foot outside, there are new discoveries to be made. Happy exploring!